Good morning, guys. Welcome back here again to my kitchen project. So I'm back here today. This is the kitchen that we did before, about 6 months ago or something. So I'm back here to install the dishwasher panel. All right. So that's what we're doing today. That's the only one that's been holding us up, but everything is already done. All right, so okay, so that's our full kitchen. So we can start to install this panel. This is like a little bit challenge. So this is the panel here. I just received it today. So now what we're trying to do here is we gotta figure out where is the mounting. Okay, so all dishwashers has probably, I'm pretty sure, has different, but this one is just to give you an idea like how to install a panel door for a dishwasher. All right, so from the instruction is showing here, these are the mounting. But anyhow, there should be always like an instructions like how to put it in places. Alright, so let's start to get the measurement. So what I did here, it's a little bit dark. Okay, so there's two holes in here. These ones are the mounting screws, right? And this is like where the, I don't know what you call this, so like where you slide it in. All right, so all my mark are all done with this panel, but let's just start again, like how I did it. So it's again like what I said again. I mentioned earlier. It's all depends of how it's supposed to be mounted in places, but for this one. This is the Bosch dishwasher. Again, these are the two mounting screws, and these are the four where you slide it in. Okay, so the first thing that I did is I measure the height, right? So because we want to line it up. We want to line it up, the panel, from the drawer front and this one here. So the first thing I did, I measured from here, right? Just about that. And then took the center from there. And then I transferred, which is that one, you know, which is that one here. And then the next one is the spacing from this drawer front and this door. That's what I did. I take the measurement first like that. And then put it here. So that's where my mark. It's right here. As you can see, this one I put a tape. Put tape here. Right. I can't really show the mark. First, this is the mark. The other one is this one. Right. And this one is 23 and 7/8, which is the one there. That one there. So what you're gonna do now is line it up. The height from here to there, which is okay. Alright guys, so the final measurement that I did here, that I did not include it in the video because what happened was my time limit of my working hours is like limited, so I can't really take more videos, right? So and I need to install the dishwasher. So the other things that I have not included there is when I this is what I did when I finalized everything, which was much easier. So I made a simple sketch in here. So these are the cabinet, which was, this one was the sink side on my left hand side, and this is like the drawers, and this is the dishwasher, right? And right at the bottom here, just a sketch in here. This is just an example. This is the door panel. So the first one, you see like a circle there, is just number 1. So first thing here is like I measure this one, this mounting in here from the top of the drawer, or this false front, and I measured from the center, from this unit, from the dishwasher, where you're supposed to mount these ones, the door panel. And then when I measure this, then I transfer this one onto this panel. See, it's right here, right? And I transfer it here from the top, and where it's supposed to be mounted, that mounting screws. So it's the same thing on the other side, right? So what I did, I marked a center line on the front panel of the dishwasher, and then I also mark a center line on the front panel door. And also my measuring tape, also I mark a center line on my measuring tape. So this one was the easiest one. I did not include this one on my video. So, and then from here, so I first, this one here, so I got the measurement. Alright, so first one, I did the measurement for I took this one first, the bottom one. I measured the height, and I transfer it on the door panel, right? It's right there. And then the next one that I did is I marked my tape measure a center line, and I measure this ones And then after that, this tape measure. So I have all the center line here. So let's say this is my measurement, right? And I just took my measurement and put it right there, right? You can go wrong because you have all the center line here, and it's measured from there to there, it's measured from here to there, right? So you just line up the center line from this center line, and then you get all the mark. As simple as that. And then the next one is, the last one is this one, the height on this. And then this one is the last one, the mounting screws. All right. Okay, so this is my simple sketch, and you can just probably this is just my sample only. You guys might have like a better idea, but this is just like what I did. All right, so this one is my tips. If you don't want to go, if you want to pre-drill this panel, make sure you don't want to go all the way through, right? So that tape there so represent me where am I supposed to stop. Now we can put this, guys. Now let's do the handle first. Alright, now we can try to put it on the dishwasher. Wow, this is gonna be tough. There you go. Alright, so we're all good. So now we're just gonna install these two mounting screws. That goes right here. Let's see. Alright, now we're done. Alright guys, so that's how it looks. from the side. From the top. All right, thanks again for watching.